So you've been dreaming of standing at the foot of the world's tallest mountain, Everest Base Camp. It sounds magical, and it truly is, but there are a few things most people don't tell you before you go. Let's fix that. Here are 10 things they don't tell you about the Everest Base Camp trek. Number 1, you can't see Everest from base camp. Sounds wild, right? The actual base camp doesn't offer a direct view of Mount Everest. You'll be surrounded by breathtaking peaks, but not the big one itself. For that iconic view, you'll need to hike to Kala Pather, the real vantage point for those unforgettable sunrise moments. Number 2, Lukla flights are a roller coaster. The flight to Lukla is short, dramatic, and entirely weather dependent. Delays are common, and during peak season, flights often leave from Manali Airport instead of Kathmandu. That means a 4 to 5 hour drive before your flight even takes off. So pack your patience along with your hiking boots. Number 3, altitude sickness doesn't care how fit you are. Even the strongest hikers can be hit by altitude sickness. Up here, oxygen levels drop fast, and your body needs time to adjust. That's why acclimatization, days, and sometimes Diamox are essential. The mountain doesn't care how fit you are, it cares how well you adapt. Number 4, hot showers aren't free. Hot showers? Yep, they'll cost you. So will charging your phone or using Wi-Fi. Life in the tea houses is simple and cozy, but don't expect free luxuries. Think of it as paying for comfort in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Number 5, Wi-Fi is a luxury? Wi-Fi cards are available in some villages, but the signal is unreliable and expensive. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Honestly, it's the perfect excuse for a digital detox. You'll be too busy watching the clouds drift across the peaks to care. Number 6, you'll be surprised by the crowds. This isn't a quiet mountain trail. Around 40,000 trekkers make the journey each year. During peak season, you might even find yourself waiting to cross bridges or past narrow trails. If you prefer a calmer experience, February is one of the best months to avoid the crowds with clear skies and crisp, beautiful weather. Number 7, the real trek starts before Namche Bazaar. Most people rush through the early days to reach Namche, but that's where the real magic begins. Before Namche, you'll pass through authentic Sherpa villages like Kumjung and Kunde, where the pace is slower and the views are pure. Spend a little extra time there. It's worth it. Number 8, packing smart is crucial. Overpacking is one of the biggest rookie mistakes. Every extra kilo feels twice as heavy at altitude. Stick to essentials, layers, good boots, and a warm sleeping bag. Your back and your porter will thank you. Number 9, you might not need a TIMS permit. Permit rules in Nepal change often. Right now, the TIMS card is required for the Everest region. Always check the latest updates before your trip. It'll save you time, money, and confusion. Number 10, helicopters can't land at base camp. If you ever need an evacuation, the helicopter won't land at base camp itself. They usually pick up trekkers from Gorak Shep or slightly lower altitudes where it's safer. It's a small detail most people don't realize and until they need it. So there you have it, the 10 things they don't tell you about Everest Base Camp. Everest Base Camp, it's more than a trek, it's a journey. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and follow along for the next adventure.